So this is what my breakfast looks like. It's a very easy, simple recipe. If you want something very light, you can skip the chili oil, but trust me, this breakfast literally tastes amazing. I feel very proud to say this, that I started journaling, and after thinking about this for a really long time, I finally started journaling. To be very honest, I don't know how to journal. I don't know the exact process. I don't know what are the steps. I just simply write my feelings and I just simply share it with my notebook. I'm in my day 5, and maybe after years I will check this notebook again and I will see how much I have progressed. Last week I had so much work and that's why I forgot to take all the clips, but today is actually my free day and I'm really happy about that. I always take a 1 or 2 day break where I'm just totally resting, focusing on my hobbies, reading my favorite book, or watching a good movie and taking the day very, very slowly. I was actually looking for a good cotton night set, and this is the brand I always repurchase from their website. This brand is called Desi Drip. This video is not at all sponsored. I actually do purchase from their website, and I'm actually going on a vacation very, very soon, and that's why I need a good pajama set. This is very, very high quality cotton, and I cannot wear anything rather than cotton because I do have some skin problems. So if I don't wear cotton or any kind of soft fabric, it's going to be a mess for my skin. So this is what the set looks like. Isn't it so cute? And it's very, very comfortable. It's like one size bigger than my regular size, and that's what I really love about it. I am totally obsessed with this one.
Godspeed, we travel with hope in our minds. Loose rain, the sky and the wind are only guide. Wild sea, we are all strangers to this land. And no map, no promise but the light ahead. Rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home. New stars so bright on the edge of the night. One spark and the world begins again. Rolling into the great unknown.
Today I have so much to edit. I realized that I was actually skipping few things, but my manager texted me and I was like, okay, I have to just edit these videos and I have to send them out. I usually use Adobe Premiere Pro, but if you are someone who wants something kind of beginner to edit your videos, I think InShot is a very good option and it's extremely easy to do. So if you are editing with your phone, I think you should go with InShot. And here I am making a tea because I am going to read my favorite book. Reading this book called Of Mice and Men, and it's so interesting. I'm like literally invested in this book right now. I have to do my dinner, but I just can't stop reading this. It's so beautiful. It's really, really nice. I am very much enjoying this. It's a very small book, but I'm really enjoying this right now. By the way, this book is by John Steinbeck, and I hope I'm pronouncing that name right. I got this from Amazon, so if you guys want link, I will send you. Perfectly written and also very interesting at the same time. You can definitely go and have a look at this. I'm just going to show you guys the back cover just so that you can read what this story is about because I don't want to say much about this and spoil it for you.